Hi everybody, good afternoon. I'm Arthur from Young Guns Motorcycles. I want to show you this racing gear that's for sale with the RM125F that's currently on eBay. The X-Works bike. This is the stuff here that I want to show you. That comes with the sale. Now I've got two Suzuki M Robert Gators. There. I've got the Rat Racing pants. I think it's actually a size 4. They come with the sale as well. I've got the Walden Miller leathers, and everything's in quite good order. It hasn't even done one season. From 1985, I think the season was. You can see Suzuki there. On the other side, that's it there. All the zips and stuff are in quite new condition. This is the helmet, which also comes with the sale. This is a Marushan. In there, the date stamp is a 11th 83. That's the helmet that comes with the sale. You can tell it's barely been used. A couple of little scratches, no big deal. That's the peak. That's still in its bag from brand new. That's all gear down through there. That's coming up for sale in the not too distant future. I'd like about $12,000 for that. Got some Olins back there. That's a very nice bike. So that's the gear. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Until next time, thanks for watching.